Howdy folks, W5BSD here. Wanted to make a quick video showing how I made the Digirig mobile work with an Allstar remote base that I built for keying FT2980R. The short version is this red wire here goes between the PTT through hole on this. We're looking at the back side of the Digirig mobile board here, and it goes into a solder joint which connects to this conductor on the audio 1/8 inch jack on the Digirig mobile. So from the PTT hole to the PTT conductor on the Digirig mobile, and you can see that on this side a little bit better. This is COS, this hole is PTT, and this is ground. By the way, while we're looking at this image, the COS, the red wire, goes to the center of this barrel connector. The white goes to the ground, which is also the ground, the outside portion of the barrel connector. I've drilled a hole through the end plate that connects onto this, screws into the Digirig mobile case, and tied a knot in the wire so I don't pull out the wire from the solder joints. It's not elegant, but it does work. So back to this. From PTT to the PTT on the 1/8 inch jack, and then plugging into that 1/8 inch jack is this Yaesu RJ12 cable for Digirig that I bought from Digirig, and it connects between this R2 connector right here, which you can see breaks out the R2 PTT, and then goes on to pin number 1 on the modular connector. And this is nice because it's a pre-made cable. I can throw it in a bag, a road case, and I can drag it through the wilderness or whatever, and it's a professionally built cable as well. The same thing with the Digirig as well. Very nice to throw in a bag and just kind of toss around. The CM108 that I was using failed, and it was probably because there was no case, like this nice professional case that's right here, and you know, the documentation for this is just amazing. It's a shame I don't have the level of understanding required to do more with this, but it does what I need. It's a much more elegant solution, and just wanted to make this video to share with someone else if they're building an Allstar node and they want to use Digirig mobile specifically for that build. I don't know what the effect of doing what I've done here does, but I do know that the solution that I did try was to use this method right here that was posted by the creator of the Digirig. He explains up here what's going on, shows the through holes, talks about this specifically. The GPIO pin 13 is PTT, and that's the Allstar software is what is interpreting that as PTT, and that it's not normally, I guess, for like Direwolf, the out of the box Digirig mobile just works because of RTS. Anyway, I'm rambling. I looked at the pictures here, I'm not gonna lie, and then I soldered some stuff together, and the equipment that I was using and the solder and the wire, I made this mess. So I'm not proud of this, but it's a really good example of how we learn in the hobby. Me specifically, sometimes I learn the hard way, and I wound up with a mess that didn't work. Pretty sure I bridged this. I tried to clean this up in here the best that I could, but I'm still not sure if anything's bridged in here or what the net effect of this is as well. But yeah, I tried this solution. I didn't have the proper equipment at the time. I've since upgraded my soldering rig by adding a better tip, a more appropriate tip. I got some thin solder, something that's meant for surface level components and not sweating copper pipes. And also this wire that I used here was scrap from other projects. It's way too big, it was stranded, it didn't bend. This 28 gauge wire, super cheap, I bought it off Amazon. It just worked like a charm, and I put it together and tested it, and so far as I can tell, this works for me, and hopefully it works for somebody else out there. So just wanted to share and put this in the archive in case I ever have to do it again. I'll know what I did, and hopefully it helps someone. 7-3, y'all.